Hello students, this is class 6 geometry exercise 17b. This chapter is based on the construction of triangles, and once again I am reminding you that use only pencil for constructing the triangles. So let us start number 1. So number 1 question is, construct a triangle ABC in which BC is given 3.6 centimeter, AB is given 5 centimeter and AC is given 5.4 centimeter, and then draw the perpendicular bisector of the side BC. Now first of all we will draw a rough sketch of the triangle with the help of your scale. Okay, and then we'll first of all you draw one triangle ABC and then put the value according to the question. So AB value is given how much? 5 centimeter, right here 5 centimeter. BC's value is given how much? 3.6 centimeter, right here 3.6 centimeter, and AC value is given 5.4 centimeter, so 5.4 centimeter. Now looking this figure, we will draw the original figure with the help of your compass, scale and pencil. So first of all we will draw the base. Always start with drawing the base of the figure. So base BC is given how much? 3.6 centimeter. So with the help of your scale draw 3.6 centimeter. Okay, then AB is given how much? 5 centimeter. Now with the help of this is compass, take measure 5 centimeter like this with the help of scale, 5 centimeter. So this is our 5 centimeter. So AB is given 5 centimeters. So put the needle on B and cut here like this 5 centimeter. Okay, 5 centimeter. Then AC is given how much? 5.4 centimeter. Again measure 5.4 with the help of your compass. Okay, with the help of our compass measure 5.4 and then from C cut 5.4. Now where these 2 points are meeting, put one dot and with the help of scale join these 2 points. So this is the first part of the question. Then we have to draw what? Draw the perpendicular bisector of side BC. Now to draw perpendicular bisector, you put on A like this and take more than half and cut like this. Cut one time up and cut one time down, and then put on B and cut one time like this and cut one time like this, and then these 2 points join with dotted line, and this becomes our perpendicular bisector of side BC, and then put the values according to the question. So this is question number 1. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is given, construct a triangle PQR in which QR is given 6 centimeter, PQ is given 4.4 centimeter and PR is given 5.3 centimeter, and then draw the bisector of angle P. So similarly first of all we will draw the rough figure PQR, and according to the question we will put the values here, and seeing this rough diagram we will draw the original diagram with the help of your scale and pencil. So QR is given 6 centimeter. So with the help of scale we will take QR 6 centimeter, with the help of scale QR 6 centimeter, and then see PQ is given how much? 4.4 centimeter. So with the help of this compass we will measure 4.4 and keep here and cut like this. Okay, and then PR is given how much? 5.3. Once again with the help of compass 5.3 you measure with the help of scale and then cut here, keep here and cut one time. Okay, and now where these 2 arcs are meeting, give 1 point and with the help of scale join these 2 points. So this is the first part of the question. Then it is given, draw the bisector of angle P. So angle P bisector, so like this we will keep here, we will keep on P like this, and we will draw one arc like this, and then at this point we will do one time like this, and then at this point put and cut one time like this, and then where these two arcs are meeting, put one dot, and from P he will join this dot with dotted line. So this is question number 2. Now question number 3. Question number 3, it is given, construct an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means a triangle in which all sides are equal, each of whose side measures 6.2 centimeter, and then measure each one of its angles. So first of all, you will draw one rough figure, and each side is given 6.2 cm, so 6.2, 6.2, 6.2. Now with the help of scale, first of all we will draw 6.2 centimeter. We will draw one base, and then with the help of compass you take 6.2, with the help of scale measure like this. With the help of scale we will measure 6.2. Okay, 6.2 we will measure, and then put on C and draw one arc like this, and then put on B and then cut the arc. Now here both the arcs are meeting, put one dot and join with the help of scale, and this also join with the help of scale. So this is the equilateral triangle, and then we have to measure each one of its angles. So in equilateral triangle we know all angles are 60 degree. So angle A will be 60 degree, angle B will be 60 degree, and angle C also will be 60 degree. So this is question number 3. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is given, construct a triangle ABC in which AB equal to AC equal to 4.8 cm and BC equal to 5.3 cm. Measure angle B and angle C. Draw AD perpendicular BC. So first of all we will draw one rough figure ABC. AB value, BC value and AC value we will put according to question. Now similarly, first of all we will draw the base. Base is how much? Base is BC 5.3 centimeter. So we will draw BC 5.3 centimeter. Now AB is how much? 4.8 centimeter. So once again measure 4.8, this one compass, and then put on B and 4.8, draw one arc 4.8 like this. Then AC is given how much? Again 4.8, because both the sides value is given equal. So again AC is 4.8. So keep on C and we will cut this arc 4.8. Now these here both the arcs are meeting. This point both the arcs are meeting at this point. So from this point we will draw join to B, and then from this point we will join to C. This is our required triangle. Then it is given, draw AD perpendicular BC. Now to draw perpendicular, put on here A, okay, and we will draw one arc like this. Put on A here and draw one arc like this. Draw this arc like this, okay, and then put here and cut one time, and then once again put this side and then cut one time, and then at this point both the arcs will meet. From A join with dotted line. So this is perpendicular. Now measure angle B and angle C. So angle B when you will measure you will get 56 degree, and angle C you will get 56 degree. So now your homework is, I have constructed the figures. Your homework is to construct and complete this chapter. Thank you.